Hello everybody, I'm back in Olivo, lunchtime, and today I'm gonna try and eat this one of my dishes that I used to have when I was a kid. My mother used to prepare this. It's typical of southern Sardinia. It's called Sgombro scabeccio. It's simply a fillet of mackerel coated with semola, fried and dressed with tomato, onions, and as you can see, some tropea onions on the top, and a touch of vinegar. This dish is absolutely amazing, and it's very easy to eat. It's filleted, it's off the bone, and I would recommend anybody to come and try it with a glass of our Vermentino, house Vermentino from Sardinia, produced by Contini for us with our own label. So there are a lot of people who actually used to eat this, and they ask for it all the time here in Olivo. So please come and try it and have a nice day. Perfection, delicious. This absolutely reminds me of my childhood. My mother used to make this. And by the way, it's even better the following day because it absorbs the vinegar and the tomato.